Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Sylvie from the Talent Universe, and today I want to start the conversation about equalization. The manipulation of the audio signals into the frequency range. That's how we would define equalization. Obviously, it's a very large topic, but it's one of the most important things to know, if not the most important, as it deals directly with frequencies. We're going to divide everything into short and easy to follow clips in order to be able to implement everything later on when we dive into things like audio production or audio mixing, for example. So let's begin. In sound engineering, we use EQs for two main reasons: to fix the audio recordings or to enhance them. When we are EQing, we are using filters. So in this video, we are going to dive into two fundamental types of filters: low pass and high pass. They have the same purpose, but opposite characteristics. The main purpose of them is to filter out unwanted frequencies, but we will see that the difference between them is quite important. So let's see. A low pass filter, also known as a high cut filter, is used to remove the high frequencies from an audio signal. By doing this, you create a sense of depth into the mix and add clarity and bite to instruments like a bass guitar, for example. Also, it can be used to tighten up the mix and leave space for some high frequency instruments, or for the voice. A high pass filter, also known as a low cut filter, is used to remove the low frequencies from the audio signal. This is mostly used to remove the rumbles, to clean the mix, and also to bring up that top end, to make it shine. This also helps leaving room for the kick and the bass for them to sit nicely there without interfering with other unwanted frequencies from instruments or voices. These two filters are really important. Personally, I use them on everything, either instruments or voice, and if we know how to combine them, we will have a well-balanced mix in the end. Now, to conclude this video, I want to talk a bit about acoustics. One of the most common issues with mixes are not resulted from the lack of knowledge or bad techniques. Mostly these issues are resulted from monitoring problems. The reason for that being low frequencies are the hardest to control. And so if the room is not well treated, we will not be able to hear them properly or to reproduce them properly. So just bear that in mind when you are mixing. Pay some extra attention to those. We will touch this subject later on. We will dive into acoustics as well. We will show you how to catch bass or how to control the high frequencies, but we will take them slowly. If you like this video, a share would be appreciated. Also, let us know in the comments what would you like to see, and if you like what you're seeing till now, tell us how we can improve and how we can make things better. If you like this type of videos, if you want longer videos, more comprehensive videos, and don't worry, we will dive into practical things a bit later. Thank you very much and have a lovely day.